Senator Bato is still being hunted down. Second, with regards to the issue of the supposed entrapment na gagawin kay Senator Ralph, kay E.S. Ralph, and eventually it leaked that it was na-target rin kami ni Vince Dizon, ni OMB Boying, and others. I would like to think that si Congressman Legarda is a better person. But to get to the bottom of it, kailangan makita natin talaga kung ano ang nilalaman ng statement ni Congressman Jing Paras, former Congressman Jing Paras. It seems like siya ang pasimuno nito, siya ang konekta sa Bugaw, ang Bugaw ang nagsabi ko ano ang plano, at ang nagbanggit lang ng pangalan ni Congressman Bibiste ay si Jing Paras. So Jing Paras is the person of interest, siya iniimbestigahan namin, and we are considering filing charges of human trafficking against him para sa okasyon na to. The NBI is on top of it, sila dapat itanong nyo. Alam mo, ang fake news ngayon, ibang klase. Diba? Ang daming fake news. In fact, tomorrow pupunta ako sa Makati para i-dispel yung mga fake news na nangyari doon. Pero fake news is taken a life of its own. Kaya to counter fake news, kayo dapat ang kakampi namin dyan. Diba? The statements have to come from us kung talaga nangyari o hindi. Of course, we're always open. We're always transparent naman kung ano nangyari. No, hindi kami ganun. Wala kaming secret operations na hindi malalaman ng mga tao. We were always transparent with what we do.
Anong proseso kung sakaling ma-arrest mo si
All the proper channels, all the proper procedures gagawin namin according to rule of law.